Good morning, everyone. Mr. Grocott here with some more maths for you. Another nice, easy day today. We're going to be looking at adding fractions. But to start with, to get our brains warmed up, let's look at this flashback 4. So, first off, it says 1/4 is equivalent to how many eighths? Let's shade in here. We've got some handy bar models. Let's shade in 1/4. Now, equivalent, we should remember, means it's equal to, so it should take up the same amount of space. So let's see how many eighths takes up 1/4. And it's 2. So how do we write that? The 2 goes on top and the 8 goes underneath. 2/8. Nice and easy. You can check that by doing 4 times 2 is 8, 1 times 2 is 2. Yeah, that works. Next one. Jim has run 3/5 of a 400-meter race. How many more meters does he need to run? So what do we do first? We do the total divided by the denominator. So we do 400 divided by 5. Okay, to make it a bit easier, I could do 40 divided by 5 and then times my answer by 10. So I get 8 times by 10 is 80. So 400 divided by 5 equals 80. Because he's run 3/5, I now need to times that answer by 3. So I need to do 80 times 3, or 8 times 3, and then times the answer by 10, which is 240. So times by 3 equals 240. Now, it says how many more meters does he need to run. So I'm not done yet. I found out how many he has run. I need to figure out how many more he has to run. So I now need to do 400 take away 260, which gives me the answer 140. Sorry, done that wrong. 400 take away 240, not 60. And that gives me the answer 160. There we go. Now my answer isn't done because I haven't said how 160 what? He's got to run 160 centimeters, 160 millimeters. I need to make sure I put my meters on the end. So he's already run 240. He needs to run 160 more. Question 3. Write 0.3 as a fraction. Well, 0.3 is the same as saying 30%. 30% of 100%. So it's the same as saying 3/10. It's 3/10. There we go. And then my final one, what is the value of the 5 digit in 582? We know the 2 is 2, the 8 is 80, the 5 is 500. Okay, so now let's move on to our learning for today. We're looking at adding fractions. So, this young lady here has been given the question, 3/5 add 1/5 equals something. And she says that's easy, 3 add 1 is 4, and 5 add 5 is 10. So the answer is 4/10. Unfortunately, she is wrong. And hopefully you all know why from when we've done this in class. So take a minute now to pause and see if you can figure out what the correct answer is. And welcome back if you paused. Okay, so what's important to remember is if the denominators don't get added, they don't. So we don't add the 5 and 5, we only add the 3 and 1. The denominators are the same, so that's all we have to do. We just have to add the numerators. So it's literally 3 add 1, which gives me 4. It's like saying, let's draw a nice circle, and let's split it into fifths. Come on. How do I get into fifths? Let's do it the easy way. Patron circles, I don't know why I did that. There we are, much easier. Split into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like saying, oh, I've already eaten 3 parts of this chocolate bar, and I'm now going to eat another part of this chocolate bar, which means I've eaten 4 out of 5 pieces of the chocolate bar. That's it. That's why the denominator doesn't change. Okay? So your answer shouldn't be 4/10, it should be 4/5. Let's have a look at the next one. Eva eats 3/12 of the donuts. Amir eats 4/12 of the donuts. What fraction do they eat all together? So remember, we don't add the denominators, we don't add those 12s, we just add the numerators. So it's literally something over 12 it's 3 add 4, which is 7. And that is as difficult as your work is going to be. It's that easy today. So, as always, we send you this document, we send you that document. There's a video here. Here's the website. Silver today is questions 1 to 3. Gold is questions 4 to 6. And platinum will be on a separate sheet. Enjoy!